long as he with me, that's what it's gonna be.
Welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're not. Today we are doing a video on this kinky straight half wig. This is from ISEE Hair. I only have a little bit of my hair left out. Real natural look if you are somebody that's trying to take a break from the wigs, or you know, want something like you're more of a versatile person, you're not really a lace wig person. This is a good look for you. It gives the clip-in vibe to me, but you just get more fullness. And you know, half wigs have been around for a really long time. They're not new, but they're just coming back to be like trendy and popular, that a lot of people are doing. But I like this texture for people who have this type of hair, because you don't have to worry about relaxers if you are somebody that's natural. I actually am relaxed, and I feel like my hair blends with yaki or kinky straight hair better anyway. I don't have to worry about my hair being silky straight in that silk press all of the time, burning my leave out up. So this is a good option and alternative for you. Usually I would go with like a more yaki texture if I was somebody who was relaxed like myself, because this is a lot to maintain in my opinion. If you want, like, you're used to silkier hair, should I say, you're always going to kind of have like a poofiness to this. 24 inches, if I didn't mention that before. The density is really full. Kinky straight hair is already going to be full, and you know, to begin with, I love ISEE Hair. One of the very first YouTube videos I ever made, if y'all don't remember, I think it's private now, but one of my first YouTube videos I ever made was on ISEE Hair water wave wig that I had bought a really long time ago, 4 years ago now, 5 years ago now, and that was my go-to at the time. That was when headband wigs was a thing, basically a half wig, but I had this old headband wig that I was wearing down, and I decided to make a YouTube video off of what I had at the time. So yeah, me and ISEE Hair go way back. In my opinion, I like their hair. So yeah, if y'all want to see the details on this hair, how I installed my half wig, so you can install one on your own as well. This is very easy, not a whole lot of work involved, and I will also be showing you my braid pattern. So make sure to stay through the video to see all the steps, and leave me some comments down below on what you think about this hair, if you have any questions, and are you going to be trying it. Let's get into the install. So this wig, like I said earlier, is 24 inches long. I'm not sure on the density, but if I could give you guys a wild guess, it's somewhere around 180%. It's really full, not just because it's like a thicker texture, but just full in general. You get the clip at the top, 2 clips on the sides, the adjustable band on the inside, as well as a clip in the back. And this wig is one of those adjustable drawstring wigs, so you do get that at the back as well, which I really like, because if you have a smaller head, it's going to fit your head really good. This is my braid pattern. I do this little bit of leave out, literally just enough to cover, and then straight backs in the back. This gives me versatility for when I'm doing half wigs, and also if I want to throw a lace front on. You are going to just put your middle clip on, and then your side clips, all the clips that you have, and pop the wig on. Very simple, very easy. It's really not a lot to a half wig in general. So if you're a beginner, this is for you, okay? And you're also getting that flip over look for, you know, a lot less work. With the drawstring in the back, you're just going to push it and make it tighter, and that's it. As you can see, it's very seamless at the top. It's like no track showing or anything. If you were doing like a braided style in the front, you would be able to disguise it very easily. That's why a lot of people have been doing those braid styles with the half wig in the back. But like I said, I only left a little bit of hair out. I do not want to have a whole lot to deal with. So this is the ideal way that you want to do your flip over or your half wig, with not a lot of hair, just enough to cover up where the half wig is going to start at. You can get that flip over style, that flip over quick weave look with your half wig without having to sit there and get it done. And if you just are a DIY girly like myself, this is just something that, you know, is simple and fairly easy to do, and should take you less than 30 minutes to do. Once you style your wig, you won't have to continue to style it, obviously, but you know, upon initial receiving of your wig, you're gonna have to do a little something. But after I take my braids out, I go ahead and just flat iron my leave out because it had been sitting in the braids. I am relaxed. I said this earlier in the video. It's been a few months since I got a relaxer, but my hair is not silky straight, so it always is going to blend in with this or like a yaki type of texture. If you are somebody that is relaxed as well like me, you don't have to do a whole lot of work to blend your hair. That's why I like this texture and yaki. Yaki and kinky straight are two different textures. Kinky straight is a little bit more fuller versus yaki is like having a perm. That's what it looks like, having that relaxer done to the bundles. Okay, so I'm taking my pencil flat iron and flat ironing all of my leave out to just blend it and not have it looking as, you know, just fresh out the braid out as it looks. You also get a lot of versatility with this. Not only can you do a half wig flip over, you can also pull this up because of the way that the drawstring is in the back. It is you know, seamless enough for a bun if you wanted to do one, or a ponytail or whatever. I have a little bit of hair back there, so let's ignore the kitchen. Okay, I need to clean that up a little bit, but you can finesse this or even just leave some hair out and cover it up in the back. It's made in the back just like how it is in the front, so you don't have to, so it's really not a whole lot of finessing you have to do to make it look natural. I am going to go in with my flat iron and flat iron some pieces, and I'm just doing this randomly, no way, shape or form. I'm not sectioning small sections or anything like that. If you want it to be straighter, then go in small sections and flat iron it just as you would with your own hair. But I still wanted to kind of maintain that blowout look like I said earlier, so I just did a little bit, mostly the roots, so I could get rid of those crimps that were in there. And go for the style that I was going to do, which was the loose curls that y'all seen at the beginning. So that's all I did. I left all the parts in there so you could see exactly how I did it. Again, it's just random pieces of hair that I picked up. I really just wanted the roots to be straight of the wig, and yeah, that was it. I use the same flat iron to go ahead and just add little curls to the ends, just to make it a little bit different. I wanted soft curls, something that just went with the natural look of the hairstyle. This wig really won me over. I've never really been a fan of kinky straight hair. I do like yaki, but kinky straight always has felt like a little bit too much for me. But this wig really won me over. I like the way that it looked, and I wear wigs all the time, lace front wigs all the time. So I've been liking the leave out era that everybody is in. It looks really cute to me. So I want to be wearing my hair like this a little bit more often. I like things that are easy to put on because I'm always doing my hair. So in my everyday, like outside of doing videos and stuff like that, I like easy stuff that I can just throw on, and this is that. So if you like convenience, I would grab you a half wig, just all different types of textures. That's what I've been doing lately, is I have a texture for everything, and then whatever I want to wear, I just have it already in that style for the day. I'm not taking a straight wig and curling it every day. I have a curled wig, I have a straight wig, I have a curly wig, you know. Just start adding your collection up. My overall opinion for this wig, I would give it a 9 out of 10. I really like the texture. It did not tingle or anything like that, and I was not getting shedding. ISEE Hair is one of my favorite companies. I've talked about this before. I've had a bad experience maybe one time a really long time ago, but out of all the times I've ordered from them, it's been more good than bad. So let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Are you going to be grabbing this wig or not? And if you like this style. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video.